Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida will be in India for a two-day India-Japan 14th Annual Summit beginning today evening in New Delhi. This will be Kishida's first visit to the country since he took charge of the office last year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the year-long celebrations of the centenary year of Malayalam daily, Mathrubhumi, through video conferencing. Speaking at the function, the Prime Minister hails the role of the media in promoting government programs. India's COVID-19 tally increased to 4,30,06,180 on Saturday with 2,175 fresh infections, while the active cases declined further to 27,802. Meghalaya reported 6 new cases, 4 recoveries and 1 death. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has said that decisive control over terrorism has been the biggest achievement of the central government for the first time since the abrogation of Article 370. He said this while addressing the 83rd Racing Day function of the CRPF in Jammu. In badminton, India's Lakshya Sen and doubles pair of Trisa Joly and Gayatri Gopichand advanced to the semi-finals of the All England Championships yesterday.